Autofocus microscope installation guide. Use a wrench to install the stand on the base. Remove the cap from the top of the stand. Align the two holes of the camera and the lifting part, and install the screws. Tighten the screws with wrench. Put aside the camera part for now. Take the LED beam ring lamp. Connect to the light source control. Then install it on the stand. Anti-slip rings are also placed on the stand. Install the lifting part on the stand as well. If you purchase a 13-inch monitor, insert the monitor rod into the hole on the back of the monitor and tighten it. Then install it on the stand. Finally, plug in the power and mouse.